A God WOD this. A daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
You see, Jesus, when him did a walk on earth, him only do what him father sent him to do. Nothing more, nothing less. And at that we fi do too. Yeah. Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to John chapter 5 from verse 16 to verse 30. And the Jew leader them did start to make life hard for Jesus. Because him did a do them sitting up on the Sabbath. But Jesus said to them, say, fi me father ever walk, and me I walk too. Chewingo says so. Them try harder to kill him. Because and then say indeed Ongla broke the Sabbath. But on top of that, indeed I say God, I'm father. And that way there, indeed I put him and God on the same level. So Jesus tell them, say, me they tell you the truth. The boy picnic can't do a thing on his own. Him uncle do when he see him father do. Whatever the father do, the boy picnic do it too. Because the father love the boy picnic and the father show him everything what him do. Him go show him even bigger sitting than them. Yeah. Things we're going shakuno. Because same way like how the father make dead people come back alive. The same way so the boy picnic give life to anybody in one give to. Plus, the father no write off nobody. No. And give over all of that day to him boy picnic. So that everybody can respect the boy picnic in the same way them respect the father. Anybody when no respect the boy picnic, no respect the father, we send him. Me they tell you for true. Anybody we hear what me say and trust in the one we send me, I go live forever. Them now go get sent for dead. No, then get moved over from where part them would have dead and gone over to where part then go and live. Me I tell you for true. The day and time I come. Matter of fact, it there already. When dead people will hear God wipe it in voice, and the one them will hear and do him say, go and live forever. Because the Father have the power to make people live. And him give the boy pitney the power so that him can make people live too. And on top of that, the Father give the boy pitney the power for judge people. Because at him, at the man where God pick. Nobody get frightened about what me they say. Because the time I go come when everybody were dead and in the grave, when hear God boy pick me voice and come back alive. Then we do good, I go come back for live forever. And then we do wickedness, I go get sent for dead. Me can't do a thing for my own. Me don't go judge people the way my father tell me to do it. And me do it right. Because me not do it for make myself happy. No. Me do it for make the one who send me come here happy. And God WOD this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.